If somebody loses their child, I believe it is the hardest calamity in the world. I don't think there's anything harder than that. Losing your child before you, especially if they're really young. But Rasul ﷺ did not tell us to get over it. And anyone who lost their son or daughter in his time, he would not tell them to get over it or to try to heal. He would give them optimism and support to grow around it. So it becomes a scar, doesn't really heal. Or there's a little hole or something empty in their heart, but he helps them to grow around it. An example, one man used to come to the Prophet ﷺ, one of the companions, and he had a 7 or 8 year old son. This 7, 8 year old son was called Hamamatul Masjid, the pigeon of the mosque. Always there, everybody saw him fluttering into the mosque, flying into the mosque. And he would, all the companions waiting for you at that door, any door, and he's looking for his dad, looking for his mum. Which door will they go from, hopping from one to the other? The angels help him, and he doesn't want to enter paradise without him, and because of him you enter. He said, Ya Rasulullah, the latter. I'd rather that one. He said, it is yours. Didn't tell him heal yourself and get over it. He says, look forward to something greater, have hope.